Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to import and sort your media in the CapCut desktop app. Let's get started. After downloading CapCut and launching the app, you'll be greeted with this window right here with 0 projects. To start editing, click on Create Project. Now it'll open up the CapCut editor. The CapCut editor is comprised of different windows, with each window having several tabs. We'll go into that later. To import your media, go to this Media tab here and click on this Import button. Here you can select all the pictures and videos that you want to import into your project. Now I added one picture to my project, but if you wish to add more, simply click on this Import again and locate the videos that you want to add into your project. You can as well select and add audio files into your media library. You can use this tab to sort your project. You can sort your videos using the time imported, time created, name, or something else. You can as well sort your timeline by using this button here to select just the image or the videos, or leaving it on all to show all of the media in your media library. That's how to import and sort your media in CapCut. If you find this video useful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and check out my other CapCut tutorials. I'll see you next time.